Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Vivo TWS 2 on your Android device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel. And right here you can check a battery level. The second one is to open settings, connected devices, and here you can also check the same. And the last one, and the best one option, is to open the application. And right here you can check a battery level of the left one and right one earbuds, and also charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!